Are you looking for real ways to make passive income in 2025? Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just someone tired of the 9-to-5 grind, I've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into 5 powerful passive income ideas you can start right now from home. No fluff, just proven strategies that actually work. Let's get started. 5. Create and sell online courses. One of the most powerful and accessible passive income streams in 2025 is creating and selling online courses. As the demand for digital learning continues to grow, people worldwide are turning to the internet to acquire new skills and knowledge. If you have a skill, such as graphic design, video editing, photography, cooking, coding, public speaking, or even personal budgeting, you can transform that knowledge into a valuable online course and earn income for months or even years. Thanks to user-friendly platforms like Teachable, Udemy, Skillshare, and Gumroad, launching a course has never been easier. You don't need to be a certified expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone eager to learn. Courses can range from simple video tutorial series to comprehensive programs that include PDF guides, worksheets, quizzes, and downloadable templates. The real power lies in the passive nature of this income stream. You create the course once, and after it's live, you earn money every time someone enrolls, even while you sleep. Promotion can be done via YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogs, or email lists, making marketing accessible and affordable. Start small. Create a short course that solves a real specific problem. Focus on quality, clarity, and practical value. Use student feedback to improve and expand your offerings over time. As your reputation grows, so will your audience and income. With consistency and effort, online course creation can evolve into a full-time business or a highly rewarding side hustle. It's a perfect blend of impact, income, and independence, all from the comfort of your home. 4. Invest in dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a reliable strategy for building long-term wealth and generating passive income. Dividend-paying companies regularly distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders, offering investors consistent returns, even in volatile markets. These stocks are typically issued by well-established, financially stable firms, which reduces investment risk. Reinvesting dividends through a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, can further enhance portfolio growth through compounding. Dividend stocks also provide a hedge against inflation, as many companies increase their payouts over time. This investment approach is especially appealing to retirees or individuals seeking steady income. Moreover, during bear markets, dividend income can help cushion losses from declining stock prices. To maximize returns, investors should focus on companies with a strong dividend history, sustainable payout ratios, and solid financial performance. Overall, dividend investing combines income generation with long-term capital appreciation, making it a balanced and prudent choice for both novice and experienced investors. 3. Launch a monetized YouTube channel. Launching a monetized YouTube channel is a powerful way to generate income while sharing your passion or expertise with a global audience. With billions of users worldwide, YouTube offers immense potential for content creators to build a personal brand and earn revenue through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. To get started, choose a niche you're passionate about, such as tech reviews, tutorials, vlogs, or gaming, and consistently create high-quality, engaging videos. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning from ads. You can further boost earnings by collaborating with brands, offering paid memberships, or linking products in video descriptions. Success on YouTube requires patience, creativity, and consistency, but over time, it can become a steady source of passive income. With the right strategy and dedication, your channel can grow into a full-time business. 2. Start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular and low-cost way to earn passive income online by promoting products or services and earning commissions for every sale made through your referral link. It requires minimal upfront investment, making it ideal for beginners looking to build an income stream. To start, choose a niche that interests you and aligns with profitable affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Next, create a platform like a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page where you can share helpful content and product recommendations. Success in affiliate marketing depends on building trust with your audience and offering genuine, high-quality content. Effective strategies include writing reviews, creating tutorials, and optimizing your content for SEO. Over time, as your audience grows, so will your potential earnings. Affiliate marketing offers flexibility, scalability, and the opportunity to generate income 24/7, making it one of the most attractive online business models available today. 1. Sell digital products. Selling digital products is a highly profitable and scalable way to generate online income with minimal overhead costs. Unlike physical goods, digital products can be created once and sold repeatedly with no inventory or shipping involved. Common digital products include ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, music, design assets, and software tools. These products cater to a global audience and can be delivered instantly, providing convenience for both the seller and buyer. To start, identify a niche where you have expertise or where there is high demand. For example, if you are skilled in graphic design, you can sell logo templates or design bundles. Digital marketing strategies such as social media promotion, email newsletters, and SEO are key to reaching your target audience. One of the biggest advantages of selling digital products is the potential for passive income. Once created and listed, your product can generate revenue around the clock. With the right product, effective promotion, and continuous updates, selling digital products can become a sustainable and lucrative business model. And there you have it. 5 powerful ways to build passive income in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more real tips on making money online, side hustles, and financial freedom.